how to report Telegram accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can report a Telegram account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to report a Telegram account for some reason, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then actually first of all open the Telegram application. Now let's say you want to report a particular account at Telegram because of the spammy behavior. So you can just open a random person's profile over here, and I have nothing against this person here. What you want to do is right over here, you can see even if I tap the three dots option here, I have the option to add, give premium or block user, but there is no option to actually report it. Now it doesn't give me the option to directly report this person to Telegram, but what we can do is we can actually report this person in the group. But for this you need to be the admin of the group. So if you're not the admin, you will not be able to take actions. If you're a normal user in the group, you can just report it, but you are not sure whether or not that account is going to get banned. So you can swipe right and reply to that by simply typing in slash and then typing in report. So when you type in slash report, this particular account will get reported to the admins and they will be able to take other actions against it. This way you will be able to go ahead and then report Telegram account. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.